Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect my JBL Bluetooth earbud to the JBL Headphones app. Okay, as you can see now I have my Bluetooth earbud, and this model is the Tune230NC TWS. Okay, and I have my Android smartphone. You can see here I already download this JBL Headphones app. Okay, so before you download this JBL Headphones app from the App Store, first of all you just connect your JBL Bluetooth earbud with your smartphone, just only Bluetooth connection. Okay, first of all just turn the cover of the Bluetooth earbud, and then the Bluetooth will show up, and you just only need to connect Bluetooth with your smartphone normally. Okay, as I already download the app, so it will detect the connection of my earbud. This is what I did, and if you not yet connect the Bluetooth to your smartphone, you download the app first, so you need to choose the model of the earbud by yourself. Okay, and this is what I tried, and you can try different way. Just download the app and connect, or connect before download the app. It's up to you, but my suggestion, connect it before you download the app. Okay, now I turn my smartphone Bluetooth on, and after that I turn the earbuds to available Bluetooth, and then turn on the app. Okay, take the earbuds out. You can see the connected already. Okay, and when you first time open the app, you need to accept the term and condition, and after you already connect the Bluetooth with the smartphone, and it will automatically detect anything about your earbuds model. You can see here, and after that you just only accept the term and condition and follow the guideline, and you will reach this manual screen. Okay, on the app you can see the available battery for the left and right earbud. Also the earbuds box, you can see it's 67%. You can also control the ambient sound control. You can choose the ambient awareness and the talk through, and this one is the noise cancelling, and you can also control the music modes. So we can use the some mode is just for call, bus, club, studio, and you can also create by your own. Just press plus and you can create by your own if you know how to control the volume of your earbud, and just press save, and you can see it's the my EQ3 is now created, so we can create more than one. So now I already create 3 of them. Okay, and this one is the control. You can set up the right earbud and the left earbud for any control you want. For example, now I control the right, one tap for play and pause, double tap for the next track, triple tap for the previous track, and tap and hold is the activating native voice assist. Okay, and you can also choose the different ambient sound control, volume control, voice assistant control, or none. Okay, and the left I set it to the different. Okay, and you can see another manual that you can use. For example, find my butt, right earbud, and now continue. You can hear it now. The right is have the voice come out from the earbud, so you can find your earbud by using that function. Okay, now I think that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect your JBL earbud to your JBL headphones app. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.